how to increase the open rate of your email. So this video is very important. In this video I'm going to tell you, if you are an email marketer, how can you do something which actually can help you to increase the open rate of your email, right? So one subject line which you can use in order to increase the open rate of your email. So let's take an example. If you see you're writing the emails right now in your email marketing campaign and you are not able to get the result right now which you desire to get that, so one subject line which you can use right now is that what they don't want you to know. Three things they don't want you to know. Two things they don't want you to know. Two things which you can do in order to increase the body weight of yours. So what they don't want you to know. This particular kind of a subject line if you use, you will see certain people they are opening that particular email which actually help you to increase the open rate of of your email. So basically this thing is very important. If you really wanted to improve the open rate of your email, you can do that. This thing is going to help you and this thing is going to change the way you're gonna approach email marketing. So if you like this video, make sure you comment down video what exactly one thing which you like about this particular video. We will have a lot of videos coming over in the future which will have a good impact on copywriters and email marketing campaign or maybe email marketers, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.